Alright, you guys, I am in Buckeye. Did you know there's a Five Below like warehouse? But there's a store and a warehouse, so I'm pretty sure the store is going to be like every Five Below. Maybe we might see new items in there, but they have a ship crew entrance, so Five Below warehouse. And then over here is an in-store enter, you know, just enter right here. Kind of interesting. I've never seen it, so I wonder if they'll have squishies here. I know squishies every Five Below I go to, and my daughter goes to, nothing. And by the way, this one is in Buckeye, Arizona, so I'm hoping this is well stocked. I feel like it should be. If you're with the warehouse right next to you, it should be.
Yeah.
Okay, as soon as I walk in, it kind of looks like, you know, every other Five Below. We got this Get Shipwrecked. Oh, it's like battleship with cups. Do whatever you want with that. It's gonna be $25. Okay, I did find a remote control inflatable Rex. Okay, I have not seen this in a remote setting. That's gonna be new, and it's $25. Light up beanbag toss. We got a giant bowling set. All the fun stuff here. Okay, just kind of walk down each area. We got floaties, water toss and stick for the water, the little pool, the dragon. Look, they have the riding one. That's kind of funny. Oh, a cordless air pump. That could come in really, really handy. Life of the party. Okay, that looks like fun. A cooler. This one does light up. It's going to be 10 though, because it lights up. We have the cow, the bear. Here's another one. These are 7. The bear's 5. More of these bags, which are only $15. Fruit fly trap. These are 7. These are bags. I believe it's a bag that turns into a blanket, unless they're a blanket. Okay, skip, lifeguard stuff when you're swimming. Here's all your swimming stuff and all the fun sunnies that you want. Fans that you're gonna need. These are $5. A little power bank and portable fan. These come in many colors. Okay, and we have SpongeBob. Oh, these are really cute. I haven't seen these in any other store. The little bear. These are shorts. And you also have Smurf. Okay. Cars, Lightning McQueen. And these are going to be brushes. Tons of brushes, scrunchies, Bluey, Stitch, little spa stuff in here. And of course more of these $7 shorts. Oh, you know what? There's a few new items that are in here that I haven't seen in any other store. Oh, they have 2XL, so if you're looking for like a plus size, there's 2XL here. I've never seen that in Five Below. Okay, hair ties, strawberry shortcake, and your Stitch. I can't believe these are 7. Go back to 5. Okay, because then we're going to pay tax on it. And these fun leopard ones. Oh, that's a cute one. Okay, and these shelves are 10. $3, 360 spinner. Put your makeup brushes or whatever you want in that. Spa headbands. These are all like the loofahs. Okay, just kind of doing a little tour of this place so you know if you're out here in Arizona. It is pretty quiet. It is small though. I feel like it's shorter. Well, you know what? Because the warehouse is next to it, so it is shorter, like smaller. Like it stops over there. Here's all your plushies. Okay, then they have socks. Okay, again, these are 5. They have glitter in it. They have pink and silver to choose from. Your makeup is here. Oh, Toothless on the vinyl figure. Okay, they're pretty stocked on these figures. Cookie Run. Toki Doki. Oh my gosh, my daughter used to collect those. Oh my gosh, look at all the Minion ducks. These are really cute. These are only 5. The little Dash Dancer.
Even in the distribution store, they're getting them.
Strawberry shortcake, South Park. These are kind of cool. Graffiti cruisers. I've never seen those. Look, I found some Halloween stuff. These are cute. Boo Buddies. with the beanies. Please tell me there's like one more option.
Let's see.
That might be it. No, they're the same.
Let me see.
Yeah, they're the same. But look right here. They have the ducks. Look at this one, the Dracula duck. Okay, that is like really funny. So here's a Dracula duck. That's funny. And then we have Pennywise. The Pennywise duck. And we have Saw. I have not seen these in other Five Belows. Is this the Mikey one? Yeah. That is so funny. And there is Chucky and Texas Chainsaw. Let me show you real quick.
Looking for something in particular?
Okay, we have this Chucky one. And this Texas one. Let me show you real fast. I kind of wish they were colored. They're just like black and white with the splattered. I know, I kind of think it would be kind of cool if they were colored.
Yeah, instead of like.
Yeah, because they kind of just look like splatter blood. But this is cool Halloween find. And then, what is this one? A Dream Puffs. Mini clip-on plushies. Okay. Clip-on plushies. Cars, SpongeBob, Bob's Burgers. Oh, okay, let me go down here. I got Ghostface. The pink one. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are looking for that. And then Chuck, they always have this here, so but this is going to be new. And like the Boo ones, yeah, they only have like 2 options to choose from, and then you can find your Halloween ducks. So these are Flip-Its. We have Pennywise, you flip the face. Oh, they only have Pennywise and Jack. Jack, come back. The trolls are here, the Frankenstein monster, Laurie Strode, and Back to the Future. Some locations you can find Frankenstein, the Michael Myers. I believe there's a Pennywise one too, and a Chucky. Yeah, Jack. Oh, there's Chucky. That's all they have. Oh, there's Ghostface. The Simpsons are here. The little mini ones. They used to have the large ones in Ross. Okay, they do have some new toys. All right, that's kind of cool though. Oh, getting me excited for Halloween. Like, come on. Weather change. Oh my gosh, Dino. That was my favorite character. I know, right? Bam Bam. These are cute. Gizmo. Look how colorful he is. Stripe. Oh my gosh. More Gizmo, Stripe. Let me pull this one out. I remember watching this in school. We had to get permission slip signed. Stripe. And then, yeah. It's just like 2 options. There's everything you could find. That is so funny. And they have Dalmatian. Yeah, you flip them. That's funny.
No, that's cool.
That looks funny.
That is funny.
I mean, there's tons of Bluey. So we got tons of Bluey toys. I just came down this aisle. Looks like they're stocking like their little toy department, puzzles. Let me walk over here. Oh, the word search. Okay, we got a horror one. Normally there's a sticker one too. We have Bluey one, fantastical, Christmas if you want to get into Christmas. And they have like Disney stickers too. Some new slime mix-ins. Okay, then you get the little compartment to store it in, which is like, you know, not bad. So you can have the slime confetti. You have like glow in the dark. You have pink, Bluey slime. I wonder if these are like clouds. They kind of look like it. Cotton candy scented, the bear one. They have the bow and a cherry. Cloud slime. Oh, it looks like kinetic sand though. Water slime. I'm not a fan of the water slime where it just kind of goops up and you don't get a stretch, but it's more gloopy. Does that make sense? How do I know this stuff? This is like the slime era my daughter used to live in on YouTube. Butter slime. Dragon. Oh no. See, that looks like gloopy. Doesn't look like you could stretch. Like much of a stretch. It's like gloop. Scented one. Berry. Okay. They don't have the Play-Doh. What? Oh, they only have this one. Okay, and candy. Let's see if they have anything new. The frogs are pretty good. These frogs are pretty good. So like nerds or something. Jumbo gum sour. Okay, sour gum. Trolley egg. Spicy mango. Anything new? Like big peelers. Only see these here, which are 3 for $5. Airheads. What is that? Oh, a laser pop. Oh my gosh. Let me see this one right here. Sneaky gunpowder. Used to buy this off the ice cream guy. Smarties has squeeze candy. I didn't know. That's new for me. I don't really eat this type of candy. And the taffy. Can we bring back taffy? That's like the watermelon and the big cherry one. The big cherry taffy had sprinkles on it. And the watermelon had like black little like seeds. Oh my gosh. Bring back. Those one used to be like so cheap too. Back in the day. They were like 2 for $1 or something.
Candy is not as cool as it was in the 80s and 90s.
Yeah,
With, like, all the unique
candy is not cool anymore. Okay, let's go look in the back at room decor. That little clip-on light, noodle bowls, South Park, Stitch, and of course little mini blankets. The chairs. Oh, they have the heart table here, which is kind of cool. The mushroom table lamp, that's a new one. Those are $7. And blankets. Okay, I don't think there's any much new. Let me continue to look around. Dog toys. Bone bras. What is that? Made for dogs. Okay, room decor. They have a vanity cart. That's going to be $20. Some jewelry holder. I want to say these are new pillows here. These are $7. Over the door hanging one. I feel like this should be more for keys because they're pretty thin. But they have a white one and they have a gold one. Back to bed frames. Okay, the blanket, ottoman. Oh, you know what? This is pretty cool because it's a shoe storage. I wonder how well someone could sit on it though. I don't know how much it is. This is really neat. It's a shoe storage ottoman. So look, you have a chair. Look, instead of everything in the closet.
Oh, yeah.
This could be perfect for a dorm room. And then you have the little slots for your shoes, sandals, shoe. You know what? I'm gonna think about this. No price on it though. And then these are like poster packs. These are everything you're gonna get. The bow. You look so good. Let's see, lucky you. You get little hanging like glue dots.
You know, this would...
And then more over the door hanging. 3 shelf hanging closet organizer. You have pink one, and there is an animal print, so these are new. And then under your bed storage. Okay, and they have an animal print. And this one is like another shoe organizer. Again, I'm not too sure how well that will hang up, but they have, I was in a different location. Oh, here we go. They have the animal, pink leopard animal print one too. And the shower caddies and the hamper. Okay, this could be perfect for dorm too. Load, roll, and fold. This could be like a laundry tote. Or if you gotta go grocery shopping, you're taking like the little trolley bus or something, you can load that. Okay, this is pretty, my husband just gave me an idea. So if you're dorm sharing, like a split bedroom, and you just share the bathroom with someone next door, and you don't want to leave like your soaps and your shampoos and all that stuff in there, instead of carrying it back and forth, he was saying just get one of these rolling carts and then roll all your stuff in. That way you could just roll it back in your closet, which is a pretty good idea because I wasn't even thinking about that. But this would only work if you're only doing a split. If you're doing commutal, you're not going to roll that thing all the way down the hallways. But yeah, so that's a good idea too. That was $20 on the metal cart. All right, you guys, I believe this is going to do it for this 5 Below. But it is new. Well, it is new if you're in the Buckeye area. It is pretty quiet in here too. There is no squishies at all. They're sold out everywhere. But here's like the warehouse looks like they just like pack things or whatever. It just looks like a lot of packing. Yeah, it's just like one big hallway. Huh. Okay, so that is going to do it. I was hoping to see people like unship boxes and all that cool stuff like in my brain. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.